Hello everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm so thrilled to be sharing one of our newest products, which is the Altenew Metallic Watercolor Pan. This is a stunning watercolor set that is a must-have in your stash. Now I created several projects with this, and this is the one I'm going to show you on the Altenew channel. And I'm creating a layout. I cut out some watercolor paper into an 8.5 and 11 sheet, and I'm going to start adding some dots. I'm doing this really freehand, and first just adding some water onto my paper and then adding the color. I'm going to add different sizes and different colors using shades that work well together. These paints are so easy to use, and you can't see it on the screen just now, but once they are dry, they have this most beautiful metallic shimmer to them. So now that my background is done, I'm just going to leave that to dry. And I didn't have any embellishments that would really fit in with the colors I picked. So I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to use the same colors that I used on my background and just create some strips of color onto some watercolor cardstock. And once that is dry, I'm going to cut out some hearts from these strips. my hearts, I'm going to use the Halftone Hearts die set, and this is a really easy way to create your own custom embellishments. So I'm just going to cut out some strips that are approximately the same width as my mini blossom die cut plates, and then I'm just going to pop on all the little hearts and then just run that through my mini blossom, and I'm going to do this for the 3 colors. So now that I have got all my elements and my background, I can start putting my layout together. I chose a black and white photo just to create lots of contrast. And now I'm going to place all my hearts around that photo, really trying to draw the eye towards the photo. Now, as you can see, there's quite a lot of color on there. And just to break that up, I'm going to add some black stamping, and I'm going to add a title from the More Than Words stamp set and stamp that in obsidian black ink, and I'll also add a couple of smaller little sentiments from the Reason to Smile stamp set. I really enjoyed putting this layout together, and I love this watercolor set. And the fun thing about creating layouts and using your photos is that it just brings you back in time, and it always puts a smile on my face while I'm creating and also when I'm looking back at the finished product. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've got any questions or comments, just pop them in the comment section. For more information on all the products used, please visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. I will leave a link to the blog post for this layout below. And if you're interested in more of our products, please visit the Altenew website. Thank you so much for joining me, and I wish you a lovely day and see you very soon. Bye-bye.